Hey guys, what's going on? Hopefully you're having a good day trading. I know I've just had a good last few hours on LuxAlgo, so I thought I'd take a pause and go through a question that I got asked in my Facebook group. I'll leave a link in the description below to go and check out my full LuxAlgo premium review. It's going to contain everything you need to know about LuxAlgo from a real user that's using it every day to make some money. And so what I'm trying to do is answer any questions people have, and one that came up today was, does LuxAlgo allow for Forex trading? Because a lot of people want to do Forex and futures because you can get these funded accounts, right, where you can use other people's money to make some money with very limited risk to yourself. And so we talked about crypto yesterday, and of course we talked about futures a little bit, although I'm planning to address that a little bit more. If you want to sign up for LuxAlgo, it's really the best deal you're going to get is if you come to the link in the description below. You'll get 30% off LuxAlgo if you use my code STA30 at the link here. And my suggestion is that you go for the quarterly or the yearly. And the reason for that is you only get the 30% off the first month, I think. So the people that are signing up for monthly may find that they get 30% off the first month, but then the next month they might have to pay full price. If you're in that position, come back to the article, re-click on my referral link that I've partnered with them on, and use the code STA30 again, and you might get that 30% off again, but on a quarterly or yearly subscription. That's my advice. That's what people have been telling me has been happening. I know a lot of people that bought the monthly have been really happy with the service, so they're trying to get that 30% off the quarterly or the yearly as well. Little tip and trick there, so give that a shot. Anyway, let's talk about Forex. So I don't trade Forex. I don't think I've ever taken a Forex trade, but the good news for people that do is that LuxAlgo does allow for Forex trading. So what I did here is I looked up the top Forex pairs. So as you kind of expect, the Euro and the USD are probably two of the most traded pairs there are. So here is the Forex Euro USD pair. Load it up right here, and you can see, so this is my favorite combination at the moment. Just for you guys that have it, I'll give a quick rundown. I like to put the smart trail on, which is the blue and red in the background here, so you see this red and this blue. These are awesome for acting as trailing levels of support and resistance. I love them. I've been using them every day with quite a bit of success. I like to have the confirmation mode on. It's just my favorite mode at the moment. The autopilot, I'm actually using it quite a bit now. It saves having to change the sensitivity, so I'm using the autopilot on midterm. That's what I've been using. Today I had a great day doing that, and hopefully it'll continue. I will adapt though as the market changes and things as well. So that's what you see here. You see the reversal zone up here, the other reversal zone here. This is the smart trail when it's bearish, smart trail when it's bullish, and of course you have the red down signals for a short and the green up signals for a long. So you can see just by looking at this on the 1 minute, immediately you can see that these work pretty well. Here's a bullish signal, take some profit up by the reversal zone. Down signal, nice move there. You can see, and this is one thing that I'm really finding makes a big difference, and this is what I used in my trading today. When you have a buy signal but you're below the smart trail and it's red, it's probably best to ignore those, right? Because you're going against the trend. So really simple, really easy to do. I think that's one of the sort of tips and tricks I have here. So you can see again on the Euro US dollar pair, you have a buy signal because we have an uptrend here. Really nice, just kind of uptrend for about 20 minutes. So you can see there are signals, they're really good. Look at this one, short signal here. You have the trail starting to turn red, and you have this nice downtrend where you're going up and testing it and coming down all the way down here. So really reliable signals, again bullish here above the trend. So of course this is just a snapshot and results vary, but you can see in general you have pretty solid signals on the Forex Euro US dollar on the 1 minute. Let's have a look at some of the longer time frames for people that are swing trading these perhaps. You can see similar results on the 5 minutes, so these are obviously not a swing trade, but you can see, so sell here, buy here, so pretty solid. This one's buy all the way up to here, so yeah, pretty good. Let's look at the 4 hour because that's a swing trading time frame. Let's zoom out here so we can see 4 hour. Let's just take this signal, it's a buy, really nice. This one is sell, not so good, but remember we're in a bullish uptrend here, so you probably want to ignore these. I think there's presets in LuxAlgo where you can go in and set it so that you don't see the down signals when you have an uptrend and things like that. So I haven't played with that yet. It'll be probably the subject of a future video. But again, you can see when you have a down signal, it's probably not wise when you're in an uptrend. They do not tend to work so much. So still works nicely. Let's go to the even longer where people might be doing the daily chart. Let's have a look at daily chart. So you can see buy signal here. Again, you might want to ignore the sell signals when you're in an uptrend according to the smart trail. Again here, because we're in a downtrend according to smart trail, you've got a good signal. Same again for the bullish uptrend. Really nice uptrend here all the way up. So you can see it definitely works. The signals are really accurate. These are my particular settings. There's probably better settings. People play about with this for a while. You can test and try things out. But so far for the Euro US dollar, really good. Let's just pick another one. Another popular one would be something like the British pound. So let's look at GBP. Just kind of giving you a sample. Obviously it's best just to sign up for this thing. Great British pound. And look at these things yourself, but it's always good to at least get an indication of whether there are even signals on LuxAlgo for Forex, and the answer is definitely yes. And I do think you could use these for funded Forex account as well. Again here, this actual down signal did actually work even though we're in a bullish uptrend, because obviously there's exceptions to the rule, right? So in general though, I wouldn't be taking the down signals when you're in a nice bullish uptrend according to this trend. So you can see goodbye here, really nice all the way up to here. This one kind of flopped a little bit. You got some down action, but not really very much. But overall, this is on the daily, by the way. Nice down signal all the way down to here. Buy signal again, you might want to ignore because we're in a downtrend according to the trail. Again, this one follows the trend. So lots of good stuff here. I think this is a really good program. Again, down signal here, all the way down. Definitely works for GBP, Great British Pound, where I'm from. Let's look at one more just to show you guys that they have all these different things. Let's go for the Swiss franc, so USD CHF. So this one, US dollar, Swiss franc. So again, pretty nice. It's marked up. Again, ignore the ones that are going against the trend. Kind of choppy here. This one trend was just changing. Nice move up. A little bit choppier on these signals. Not as clear on the daily at least. Maybe a little move up to here. A little move down to here. Nothing too exciting. So the signal's obviously really good all the way down to here. A nice short. Let's just take a quick look on, say, the 5 minutes, see what it looks like. Really nice signal to the downside here, nice signal to the upside with the trend going with it as well. Really choppy here, kind of a mess, but yeah. So the answer to the question is you can definitely trade Forex on LuxAlgo, and the signals seem to be in line, at least from what I've been seeing with just the usual equities and the crypto as well. So I just did a video on the crypto trades as well, so they worked really nicely. Just having a quick look at it's during market hour, so just having a quick look at today's. I'm going to do a whole video on how I just made a decent amount of money on today's LuxAlgo. Today was pretty choppy, but there was still opportunities to make some money on the 1 minute time frame on SPY. So I'm going to do a whole video on that, showing my results and things as well for full transparency. Anyway, make sure you come to the article. I'll be updating this. I've already put in the crypto stuff down the bottom here because that was a question I was getting. So I did a video on the crypto stuff, so you can come and check that out. And of course, make sure if you want to sign up, you can get for $100. You can get the LuxAlgo Premium indicator system using the coupon code STA30 at my link. You can get 3 months for $100, which is a total bargain. So really good. Anyway, hopefully that's helpful, especially if you're looking to trade Forex, which is kind of fun at weekends when nothing else is open. Trade Forex or crypto using LuxAlgo. Alright guys, until next time.